Hello and welcome to Mix Up Studios. Today we're going to be drawing Donald Duck. So all you need is a pencil and a piece of paper. The first thing we're going to draw is his beak. So to do that, start by making like a shallow U into a rainbow curve. So like a shallow U into a rainbow curve. Just like that. Next part we're going to draw is the top of the beak. So start at the end of the rainbow curve and go up like a little bit and just follow the curve. And make sure it's like evenly spaced. So after that, we're going to draw the left part of his beak. So just start a little to the right of the curve you just drew and draw like a swoosh up. So swoosh. This next part is his angry eyebrow crease. So start from the right part of that one curve, draw a dot. That's where the bottom of his eyebrow crease is. Go up a little and draw a backwards S. And then continue that S to the up, and that's his eye. Next, we're going to draw the bottom of his beak. So same thing with the top of his beak. Make sure it's like evenly spaced. Go up and around and connect to the bottom of the S. Then you can just draw the eye in, which is just a curve. And then his other eye, same thing, will just swoosh up, but in the opposite direction. And then same thing for his eye. Just draw like an oval kinda. Just like that. Little detail to the left, it's just his beak. Draw his pupils in. Now we're gonna draw the eyebrows. Start at the top of his eye oval and draw like a swoosh downwards. Just like that. So you got two eyebrows. Now we're gonna put his hair in between. So just draw spikes for his hair and connect them. Same thing to the right. Just draw spikes for his hair and connect the line. If I'm going too fast for you guys, feel free to rewind or pause. I'm drawing his neck with just two angled lines downwards. And his t-shirt, which are also just two like slightly less angled lines. Draw the U and the U. Drawing his bow tie, so draw an oval to a swoosh to the left and down, then a U shape that connects the line. Then we're doing the same thing to the right side. So U to the right. And then for his t-shirt, let's draw a slanted line, and then a line to the left, then a line down, and then to the left. And then like a triangle, and that's his t-shirt. Now we're drawing his hat. So just draw a line and another line. And then like an oval that swooshes down to another oval that comes from the left, like that. And then for his hat, his tag, you just draw swooshes and points. And that's it.